Welcome to Sudoku. I'm Cassidy. Today I'm doing the New York Times Hard Sudoku for Sunday, May 11th, 2025. All right, let's get started. So, just gonna scan to see what we can fill in. Okay, the first thing I see is in this box. The 1, the 6, and the 9 are in this row. So that leaves these three cells for the 1, 6, and 9. And actually, the only cell the 6 can go in is here, which means 1 and 9 go here and here. Then this would be 4, 7, 8. So 4, 7, 8, 4, 8, 4, 7, 8. And then these three cells would be 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. I think actually this cell, though, looks like only a 3 can go here, right? 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, yep, only a 3 can go here, which means 3 will go, not a 3, 2 or 5 is here, and then 3 goes here or here in this box. Okay, and then if the 2 or 5 goes here, then the only cell the 7 can go in this box is here. Then this row would need 1, 4, 7, 9. So this was 1, 9. 1, 4, 7, 9, 1, 4, 7, and 4, 9. So the 4 and the 7 go along this bottom row in this box. And then actually, if this is the 2 or the 5, the 4 is in this column and 4 can't go there. So 4 is going to go there, 2 and 5 go here and here. Okay. This column needs an 8 and a 6. 8 and 6 are in this box and this row, so that leaves this cell and this cell for the 8 and the 6. And then the 2 and the 5 would go here and here, but 2 is in this box, so 5 goes there and 2 there. And that means the 5 goes there. Then 2 and 3 go here and here. Okay. And then in this box, the 2 will have to go here. Then this column would be 3, 4, 8, 9. So this would be 3, 8, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 8, and 3, 4, 8, 9. So the 4 and the 9 go somewhere in this column, in this box. And then this column would be 1, 3, 5, 6. So the only cell the 5 can go in this box is here. And then this would be 3 or 6. No, 1, 3, or 6. 1 and 3 are in this row, so 6 goes there. 1 and 3 go here and here. So now this was what? 3 and 8. 3 is in this column, so 8 goes here and 3 here, which means the 6 goes here to finish this column. 1 and 3 go here and here, and then 4, 8, 9. So 4, 9, 4, 8, 4, 8, 9. All right, and now these two cells are going to be the 4 and the 8. What's this column? 1, 3, 4, 7. The 1 or the 3, the 4, and the 7 are in this row, so 1's going to go here. And then we'd have 4, 7, 3, 7, 3, 4. And then now in this box, the only cell the 1 can go in is here, and the only cell the 9 can go in is here. So then we'd have 5 and 8 here and here, 2 and 3 here and here, and then 4, 7, 9 across here. So 4, 9, 4, 7, 4, 7, 9. 4, 8. This was 4, 7, 8. 5 goes here or here. 6 goes here or here. In this box, the only cell the 7 can go in is here, which means in this box, the 7 goes here, and then we have 4 and 8 here and here. In this column, or in this row rather, 4 and 8 has to go here or here. So then in this column, the 4 and the 8 go here and here. Then that would leave 1, 2, 6, 9. The 1 or the 2, the 6, and the 9 are in this row, so 1 goes here, and then we'd have 2, 9, 2, 6, 9, and 6, 9. So 6 goes here or here, and then 1 will go here or here. Okay. In this box now, the only cell the 1 can go in is here. And then we would need a 4, 5, and 8 in this column. 4 and 5 are in this row, so 8 will go here. And then 4 and 5 go here and here in this box. And in this box, the only cell the 5 can go in is here. And then we said 4 and 8 needs to go here or here. We put the 8 in this box, so 4 goes there, 8 there. And that means in this box, the 4 goes here and the 8 here. Now we'd have 2, 6, 9. So 2, 9, 2, 6, 9, 6, 9. This column is 2, 6, 9, so 2, 9. This is 4 and 5, so then these 4 cells are 2, 5, 8, 9. Nope, 4 and 5, 2, 6, 8, 9. Nope, what am I? 2, 3, 8, 9. There we go. Geez. Yeah. 2, 3, 9, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 9, and 2, 9. So let's look at this row, maybe. This row needs 3, 4, 5, 8. So the cell would be 4, 8, 3, 4, 5, 3, 8, and 4, 5. Seven's gonna go here or here. Oh, now that this 8 is here in this box, the 8 has to go here, and that is gonna leave the 5 here. And then in this box, the 5 will have to go here, and in this box, the 5 will have to go here, which will mean the 4 will go here. Okay, and then in this column now, the only cell the 4 can go in is here, and then we would have 3 and 7 here and here. 7's in this box, so the 3 will go here and the 7 here. And then that means that in this box, the 3 has to go here, and that'll leave the 1 here to finish this column. Then 1 goes here in this box, and 3 has to go here. And then these 3 cells would be 2, 8, 9. So this would be 2, 9, 2, 8, 9, and 2, 9. The 8 has to go here. Okay, and then this row would be 2, 4, 9. So 2, 9, 2, 4, 4, 9, 2, 4. The 6 has to go here in this box, and then 2's in this row. So 4 goes here and 2 here, which means in this box, the 2 goes here and the 9 here. And then the 4 has to go here, the 9 here, and the 8 here in this box. All right, now this row was 2 or 3. 2 is in this column, so 3 goes here and 2 here. 7 and 9 here and here. 7's in this column, so 9 goes here and 7 here. And now this column needs a 4 and a 6. 4 is in this row, so 6 goes here and 4 here. And then this would be 3 and 9. 3 is in this row, so 9 here, 3 here. This is going to be the 6 to finish this row. And then finally the 9 and 2. 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.